Hi, myself Aparanjani Priyadarshini.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click on bell button, share and comment your doubts and like this video.
And today's class is Bootstrap, how to create a web page using the Bootstrap we are going to be seeing. In the last video, we have seen the introduction part, installation and also the sizes of the screen. Now we'll continue the same topic. Now here, in the two ways already we have seen. One is the Bootstrap, the path where we have downloaded. The other one we have seen the link. So with this link, if you want to use the Bootstrap, so you require the internet. When you have downloaded this, we don't require any internet for this program. Now let me tell you, suppose a web page. For example, here I'm going to open one web page, any website. So JNTU Hyderabad website. So this is our website. So this is a menu bar, or we can say nav bar, and this is a carousel, the photos which are going to be moving, and this is the text, this is the heading, and here few boxes with the data, and this is a like blogs are created. Now so this we can click, a link is there and other page it is navigating, and also here the menu bar, nav bar, if you are going to be clicking this, the drop down menus are coming. So these all we can do using the Bootstrap. Now this is our web page. This is completely a web page. So this complete web page is going to be represent with a container. In this container, each one, this is one row, this is one row, this is one row, and this is one row. Now this is one row. So in a separate rows, this is one row, separate rows, separate things. So this we can represent like this. So here we can write, insert a table. I'll take a drawing, and this is your a web page, we can say. So this is an a web page. And this is for heading, and this is for the container, and this is for, you can say, footer or something, and this we can write as a side menu bar, and this is right side bar. So if you want here something heading and a nav bar, if you want, you can do like this. So here nav bar you can create, here heading, and this is a container. So this, okay, now see here, now this is the container text you can write, or this also.
Take
like this container and something here, carousel you can insert here, and this is a carousel, for this is a navbar, and this is for the heading, like this. So a container is going to be divided into rows, and that rows are going to be divided into columns. So the same thing we can do using this Bootstrap. So here I'm going to delete this one, and here a class of container you can take in a div. So div, a class of container, this class is a predefined container, and here inside this how many rows you want, that many rows you can create it. So this is one row, row 1 I'm writing, and another row, row 2, and row 3, and div row 4. Okay, let it be 4 only, enough. So here let me browse and check. Here row 1, 2, 3, but here this is not visible. I mean, it is not understand whether it is a row or not. So you can create customized CSS. So just I'm writing style.css, and here I'm going to write dot container, that is the class, and in the class I'm going to take a border of 6 pixel solid, and black I'm taking black, what happened, dot container. Okay, now here this link you need to, in this link, after this Bootstrap you need to give the link. And here you give style.css, so overwrites here. Now let me check here. Now see, this is a container. I told you the size, that is 1140. So the size is 1140. You can inspect here also. Now here see, this, see, it is the size it can be like this. So here when the browser is going to be opened, let me close this one, and here the borders are going to be living here, and this is the size of our container. And in this in this style I'm going to write a row also. So row also, to know the row, how much it is going to be taking, let me take a border for this, and here I'm taking 4 pixel solid. Let me take here a green color. Now see, inside the container border has been taken. Okay, now here in this third border, actually in the third column, this is for the heading and this is for the navbar, and in this navbar let me create a navbar, a simple navbar. I'm not applying all the CSS, I'm not concentrating on that. So here some UL I'm taking, and in this LI, okay, href is equal to hash, and here home. Okay, this I'm going to copy again, and this is for about us, and this is for contact us, and this is for gallery. Okay, so this is a navbar, and this we can implement as a navbar in the CSS, but now I'm not going to concentrating on this, simply a website I'm going to. Now here I want, instead of this, I want three columns. So just you write down here div column. This is a column 1, and the same thing I can copy this 3 columns. So this is the second column, and this is the third column. So now columns is also, we will make some styling. So here dot column border colon 2 pixel solid red. Now see, so here I'm going to use again a bar, nav bar, something like that, sidebar. So the same thing, I'm going to copy this one, and here I'm copying, and again the third column also I'm going to copy, right and left bars, something like that. Okay, now see here, this is the content. Content is going to be like a paragraph. So see, this is a paragraph. Now this fourth one is, the fourth column is, here you can go for the footer. So just you can write a copy at the rate right. Okay, now you can write a span, and write down here 2022 3000 copies. Okay, and here a line is equal to right. Let me check this whether it is right. Okay, so this is like a simple website you can create within 10-15 minutes instead of using the CSS completely. So here this is a website name, like education information, something. Okay, this is our website, and here one more row is there. Acha, in the container I have written, actually we should not write in the container, we should write in the column. No, now it is right. Okay, so here you can do a styling h1 like this. So at the same time, in the styling you can write here background color, something like this, container, and instead of container container means the complete container it will take. Instead of that, I can write here, this is the first, so here use id, we will use id is equal to header. So in this header you can take, and here you write up. Now only header we got it. So here menu bar, menu. So background color, let me take brown, and font, not font, font style family also you can take it, no issues. Wrap, not wrap, font family, and let me take which family. I'll take this one. Where I should write, this is menu. So menu bar is this one. So here I am writing id is equal to menu. Now see. Okay, like this you can make a website within a minutes, instead of doing all the things in the CSS. So everything we can do it. So this is a small introduction of a website, and with the container, row and column. So this container, it is taking up to here. Whenever we are using the container, it will take this much measurement too. But here another class is there, that is called container fluid. So container fluid, here in the class also I will use fluid. Fluid means how much the browser will be there, it will occupy that much. That means 100% of your browser is going to be occupied whenever you are using the container fluid. Container means the measurement, exact measurement it will take. Container fluid, it occupies the complete browser, whichever browser you are using. So we are going to be using only the container, not the fluid. Okay, so this is the small website. In the next class we will see few more classes. Thank you.